Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad with condensed milk. First, gather your ingredients, including about 2 pounds of potatoes, 1/2 cup of condensed milk, and 1 cup of mayonnaise. You'll also need some celery, onion, and hard-boiled eggs. Make sure your potatoes are boiled until tender, then cooled completely before dicing them into 1-inch pieces. This preparation is key for a perfect texture. Next, let's create that unique, creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. For a delightful tang, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix until the dressing is smooth and well combined, ready for your potatoes. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add your cooled, diced potatoes, 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery, and 1/4 cup of minced red onion to the dressing. Gently fold in 3 chopped hard-boiled eggs. Mix carefully to coat all ingredients without mashing the potatoes. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours, allowing the flavors to fully develop and deepen. Finally, your delicious potato salad with condensed milk is ready to serve. Before serving, give it a gentle stir. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or a dash of paprika for a pop of color. This sweet and savory salad is perfect for picnics, barbecues, or as a unique side dish for your family dinner. Enjoy every creamy, flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.